control valve. What's your lockout procedures for your flow control valve? This solenoid is probably hot. Yes, this one should be cold. Oh, it's got it bloody hot as well.
Yeah.
I know, not that hot. This is your shut off, and this is your low flow. So there's the Venturi. This one shuts the pack valve, and this one puts it into low flow. I've got your thingy here, mate. You're a gentleman and a scholar.
They're not upside.
So, flow control, shut off, low flow. The lockout, look at the lockout up here, guys. You can see you can run the pin in. So you can screw a pin in, but what's the procedures? I don't know what versions are for lockout of that.
You just run that in, that's all.
Well, we used to put blanket plates in as well. That's how we locked it out. Because they have problems with the valve doing